everyone. My name is Sandhya Avasthi, and in this video, I'm going to discuss Java new feature, Java module system, and daemon syntax. So mainly, I'm going to cover the basics of both the topics, Java module system, their importance, and one example, how to build a Java module, and what is daemon syntax, and basic code. So Java module system, basically it was introduced in Java 7, and further it was also included and it became a game-changing feature, and that helped developer in organizing and managing their code. So it also promotes the code reusability. Once a code that is built in form of a module can be used or imported in any other program or any other project. So it helps in maintainability, also in separation of concern, building scalable and efficient applications. And these are a great way of organizing classes, and we can use in different way, and that may be used in any other new projects that our team is building in Java. So you can call it a package of Java packages, because basically a module can include many different packages. So this gives an abstractions allowing us to make our code reusable. So reusability is a very important features that comes in Java programming, and that is available in form of classes and packages, libraries. So packages inside a module are identical to Java package, but here we kind of create a situation where we have a package that consists of many other packages. So to create a module that we call a module, so to create a module, organize the code internally in packages. So aside from organizing the code, packages can be used to determine like which particular code is publicly accessible outside the module, or which particular code is not accessible outside the module. So here we can set that to whatever code or classes we want to be accessible outside the package, or which we don't want. So we want to keep that private. So each module is responsible for its resources, like any media file or configuration file. So what is modularity here? So modularity adds a higher level of aggregation. That is what is the purpose of module system, to keep various aspects, various functionality in different modules, and that is available, keeping the separations so that we can use it in future easily. So module is known as a uniquely named reusable group of related packages. Resources can be such as like images or XML files, and the different module descriptors can be specified, such as module name, module dependencies, packages. It explicitly make available to various modules, different services it offers, services it consumes, and to what other modules it allows reflection. So there are four main categories or types of Java modules. The first category is system modules. This is listed when we run the list module command, or this including Java's SE and JDK modules. Application module. So this you can build when you decide to use modules, and they are named and defined in compiled module. So there is a file whenever we create a package. So there is a file that is created that we call module info.class. I'll show you in a program that I'll run in Eclipse environment. The third category is automatic modules. So this basically include unofficial modules, and that is possible by using existing jar files to the module files. And the name of the module will be derived from the name of the jar file. So the fourth one is unnamed module. So when a class or jar file is loaded in a specific class path, but not in a module path, so it is automatically added to unnamed module. So It is like a catch-all module to maintain backward compatibility with previous written Java code. So thinking about while you build a module or using Java module system, so you can have two types of packages in any module, right? So a module can have different packages. That is what we are saying, package of packages. So it's like a module of different packages. So some packages can be, available for you. Some you can keep as private. So exported packages. So these packages are intended to be used outside of the module. So we have built a module and there is some other module. So they are using keywords like export. We do the setting. So that package can be utilized even outside the module. Right? So this means program residing in any other module can use these packages belonging to some module, some other module. Then we have a conceal package. So we can set package as conceal by using the keyword conceal. So these packages are not intended to be used outside. So whenever you want to keep a package that being included in a module and you want to keep it concealed or private, so you can change its setting to concealed one. So how we can build a module in a Java. So these are the steps I'm showing here. So how to create and use module in Eclipse. So the very first step is you have to create a Java project. So you go to new, you go to Java project and create a Java project. The second thing is, now whenever we create a Java project, there is a module info.java file. So you need to do some writing or some lines of code that you need to include there to do the setting for the package, right? So the second step is we create a module info.java file, and then you create a package, and then we create a class. So to show how this is done, there is a problem that is taken. So here, like we are creating a beginners book class, and that is in a package named beginnersbook.demo. So the name of the package is beginnersbook.demo, and within this package, we are creating a class by name beginners book. So this is a basic code just to show how class is included, how that is the package is set as concealed or exported. So this is the step to basically see that this class belongs to this package, the name of the class, and there is a very simple method that is defined, welcome message, and it includes a print statement, welcome to beginners book. So this is the third step. You create a Java project, then you create a module info.java file, and then you create a package beginnersbook.demo, and then create a class beginnersbook in it. So these are three steps. Then the fourth step is, now you have to export the package that you have created. So suppose the package that was beginnersbook.demo, you want it to be exported to some other module. So you have to do the setting. So how you are going to do the setting? You have to do that in module info.java file. So this is the file, module info.java, and here you will just write the name of the package and then include this export keyword and just mention the name of the package. So this statement basically does the setting that yes, this package can be exported. So how that is defined? Using this export keyword, and that you have to include in the file module info.java file. This is a typical project, the project that you have created. When you create a project, so this is the way it is going to look like in Java Eclipse environment. So there is a package that you created, beginnersbook.demo. This is automatically created, and this folder is created. And within this folder, you have to create this package, right? So this is the name of the project, beginnersbook.demo, and within that we have created a package, and within that this is the class that you have created. So you know how to do it. Right click here, create a class file, and name the class file as beginnersbook.java, And in the same package here, in this source file, you have to create module info.java. So by default, it is already created. Whenever you create a project, it is always there. So you just have to open it and you have to write this code within it, right? So write this code to make this package, this beginnersbook.demo package, as exportable. Now, the fifth step is just to show how this module can be utilized within the other module. You have to now create another module. So in the fifth step, create a new Java project and say you name this project as beginnersbook.user. So you have created another Java project by name beginnersbook.user and within the module info.java file. So when you create this project, so this file will be there created automatically when you work with Java Eclipse IDE. Now, here, because we want to use the package beginnersbook.demo, so here you will use required keyword to include that line. So this basically what it does, that this within this module, now you can use this package. And why this is possible? Because in the previous setting, the previous project, we set this module as export using export keyword. So because we use export keyword, this is possible here. Now, we want this module to be also exported, so use this line as well. If you don't want, you can do not include this line. Now, so sixth step is you have to create a class in the second module. So second module, that means second package, which is beginnersbook.user. So here, create a package beginnersbook.user, and there you will write this statement, because we want to utilize the beginnersbook.demo and from there beginnersbook class. So we want to use. So that's why this line needs to be included. And then here we write a simple, we create an object of this class type. And then we simply call the method using this object OB, right? So welcome message was the method defined within what? The previous project's module, right? So how you are able to do it? Because here we require that package, and once you use that package, the class defined this is the package can be utilized, right? And you set the setting as export, so that's why it is possible. So this is the sixth step. And now the final step, what you need to do, you need to run the beginnersbook.user class. So this class that you have created now, you just run this. When you run this, so this command will be executed and you will be able to see welcome message. So you will be able to see that. So when you run it, what you will try to see? Welcome to beginner's book. So these are the 7 steps. So what you need to do, you need to create two projects. So 2 projects and 2 packages. And that is the how you are going to show how a class belonging to one module in one project is imported within the other project. So that is the thing here. So the next part in this video I'm going to discuss is use of diamond syntax. So diamond syntax, this operator that you see, generally it is known as diamond syntax. So what is the use of it? Generally, whenever we want to use the type of any variable and objects, so we kind of use the lines types. Like for example, say you have to create an object of a list. So you want to create string type. So we use string on the left as well as on the right as well. So both sides you have to use. So this was used to be done till Java 7 and before Java 7. But after Java 8 and beyond, so we kind of use a generic type. So the need for writing string on the right side can be avoided, and this using this diamond. So we on the right we write string, but on on the left we write string, but on the right we don't write any type here. So that is the idea. So this way, like the code is simple and better with the help of diamond operator. So you don't need to write a string type on the both side, left and right. So this operator is known as diamond operator. So it was added to Java 7 as a new feature, and the purpose of diamond operator is to avoid redundant code. So it leaves the generic type in the right side of expression. So when you write new array list, it automatically internally understand that this object type is, it will store the type string type values. So diamond operator makes it easier to employ generics while building an object by allowing implicit duplicate parameter specification. So this is the way anonymous, this can be used in anonymous class. So it allows us to use diamond operator with anonymous class, and it was not allowed till Java 7. So as far as in Java 9 and onwards, this started to be used. So let's see one example. So Java 9 improved the use of diamond operator and allows us to use diamond operator with anonymous inner class. So we can see here an abstract class, my class is defined, and a generic type T is given. So that means this whatever function this add is, so it will be of this generic type T. So it could be integer, it could be a double, it could be a string type. So this is the class, and we can see here, whenever we create an object of type my class, which was here, so it was defined using a generic type, but here we specify as integer, so that is possible. So here the method add, it takes 2 parameters of type integer. So this is possible. Now, by just defining one class, anonymous class, that can be used within utilizing diamond operator and type integer or float or string. So that is the idea. Its value would be, the output here you receive is 201. So that will be all in this video, and the content here was taken for Java Complete Reference by Herbert Schill and Programming in Java by E. Balagurusaming. In my next video, I'm going to discuss about Java Switch, the new version. That will be all. Thank you so much, everyone.